Hi there. My name is Dan. I'm with Fotokite. We are a actively tethered drone manufacturer. A very unique product in the industry. We're actually the only actively tethered drone that is recognized by the FAA for public safety use. The product itself is on a tether that actually powers the system itself. So it does not free fly, but it's mainly for aerial surveillance and overwatch. A couple of differentiators of our product: it is max height of 150 feet, so it does not require a 107 pilot's license to operate, and it's electrically powered. So no need to recharge batteries. It can actually stay up flying for days and weeks on end because it's powered just off of a standard 110 power supply, portable generator, or vehicle inverter.